It's bargain time on Little Pottery Model Railway, and I'm going to show you what I picked up for a few pounds. I just thought I'd share with you some bargains I've just picked up. I think they're good bargains anyway. We've got these little goodies. Just picked them up from a car boot sale. So let's have a look, see what I've got. Move those over here. These are classic transport treasures. I'd not really heard of these. But first one I've got is a Morris Minor van, Royal Mail. I was just drawn to the Royal Mail logo. I think it's a gorgeous looking item. Die cast 00 gauge metal. And they were still boxed, which looks good. So it naturally made me think that these have been looked after, maybe sitting on a shelf somewhere, and they're the right size, which should look good on my layout when I ever get around to doing that sort of thing. We've then got Morris Minor 4-door saloon grey. Just thought that was lovely. I think I'll always pick a Morris Minor up if I see one. Same company, Classix. Packaging looks absolutely fine. I haven't actually opened these, obviously. Quite a bit in their collection. It says collect them all on the back. I don't know if you saw that. Collect them all. Oh, I better do that now, really, hadn't I? But anyway, also very nice packaging, very clean. I imagine these have been someone that has been collecting them all and just put them on display. I don't think they've come out of the box. The last one I bought, which I thought was so sweet, Royal Mail again. A Morris J van. Packaging looks a little bit more used. There's a few little bits here, and we've got some sticky label seems to have been left behind. It does look like it has been opened. But inside I thought it looked quite clean. So let's open them up and have a good look. This one first. When you take the box off, you've then got yet more of that lovely plastic stuff. These have been around for centuries, won't they? There we go. Fan is looking even nicer. Look at that. Now we can see the other side. Very sweet. Look at the size of it. I'll tell you what's going through my mind. I do in fact have fallow vehicles, bits of, running on the layout. And I do have a very small fallow motor, the chassis, well the whole thing really, for a VW camper van. So what I might do if I'm feeling mad one day, which is most days, I might be able to motorise this. That would look really nice. I've got to have plenty of time available. So let's just put that one there. Looking nice. Just put the wrappers, the box and everything. Now next one, I'm going to open this one. The Morris Minor 4-door saloon. Same again. Lift that one off. Let's put the packing over here. Very nice and really nice. These have not been out, have they? There's no damage at all. It's lovely. Very nice Morris Minor. Part that over there. And finally, the Royal Mail van. This is the Morris J van. Once again, we're saying about these stickers, but just pop that over there. Don't think that's been opened at all. Let's have a good look at that. That's the side that we saw in the packaging. So excellent. The actual packaging had some marks on it, but the vehicles all look like they've never been opened. Very nice. Really pleased with those. They're a nice size. Right, what I'm going to do is just move these to one side just to see what this looks like with a bit of some sort of background on. Just to line them up and see what it looks like. Now against that, the scale looks really nice. So it should do. Oh, I forgot to mention how much I paid for these. The princely sum, or the pricely sum, of £2 each. So £6 for the three of them. Absolute bargain. I think so anyway. They're not that expensive new, but I was just pleased. It was just Major's Day. It's nice to get a little bargain, isn't it? Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox those bargains. I certainly enjoyed paying just £6 for the three. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel, and I'll see you again next time on Little Pottering Model Railway.